Close your eyes. Can you picture it? The future isn't years away. It starts right here. At Blue Mountain Community College, your story takes off. Imagine flying drones across open skies, building your own business in your community where it matters most, welding the next big build, running the servers that power the world, caring for patients, or coming together to bring home the win. Whatever you dream, it starts here. BMCC is more than classes. It's hands-on training, supportive teachers, and programs that prepare you for what's next. To start a career in agriculture, cutting-edge technology, welding, diesel technology, vet assisting, data centers, fire science, education, computer science, precision agriculture, industrial systems, unmanned aircraft systems, drones, or to transfer to a university. Here's the best part. It's doable. Affordable tuition, support at every step, dual credit in high school, degrees that transfer, and a campus that feels like family. Discover what you're capable of and learn the skills to take on any challenge. Here, you're not just a number, you're a part of something bigger. You'll grow, lead, and discover who you are along the way. Blue Mountain Community College isn't just a college, it's your college, and your future starts now.